Okay, just in case anybody's on Zoom. Thanks everybody for being here. This has been a whirlwind 5 days of school. It's the fourth time we organized one of these. It's the largest one we had so far, and I would say it's probably the most successful one so far. In fact, the first one was hit by COVID, so we had to do it online. So it's the third one we do in person. So a few practical matters. You have your badge holders. Please leave them in a little box that I labeled in the auditorium C. This is because we reuse them for other conferences. If you need a certificate of participation, send us an email. We'll get it to you as soon as possible. And if you're a PhD student in Europe and you gave a talk, you will receive 2.5 CTS in the next X number of weeks. This is handled internally by the university. Okay, so I think we still have the plan to visit Bohr's office. Yeah. So there's not going to be a guided tour anymore, but you did listen. Yeah. You can take a picture of yourself in the office, and basically that's as much as we can provide. So let's split the whole group into maybe groups of 12 or 15 to make it manageable. Okay, so a few stats: 3 exercise sessions during the week, 3 discussion sessions, lots of informal discussion. You can find all the videos on YouTube. None of the exercises of the discussion, but yes, of the lectures and the topical seminars and the student talks. So I will also put the links on Indico so you can more easily link from each talk to each video. So 9 lectures, 5 topical seminars, 24 student talks, which is the most we've had so far. I think last year was 16. Everything is on YouTube, so like and subscribe and whatever. Okay, so we had 60 in total 64 people, but it was 35 PhD students, 15 master students, 2 bachelors, and 2 postdocs. So again, this is the most we have had so far. So you can see 54 people there that have come from abroad to participate as participants, but there's more people, of course. In total, this is the distribution of countries. I think this might have been the first time we got someone from Brazil. I can't remember right now. But anyway, it's been very, very good. We didn't get anyone from down Africa, and I don't think we've had one yet. Yeah. So maybe next time. Okay. So 62 in-person participants, plus Marcus and myself. So 64. Most heartfelt thanks to Mariam, Vivian, and Maria. Maria and Vivian are still here, so please let's thank them. Yeah, so these are the kind of lectures I would have liked to receive when I was a student. So you're very lucky that you got to experience them. And also to our topical seminar speakers, Pablo, Shashank, Mariam, Jose, and Shunke, who you heard of now. And that's it. Thank you very much. Have a safe way back home and enjoy all the office and enjoy the lunch. Thank you.
I wanted to add one thing. Yeah, first of all, I think the lion's share of the organization was really done by you, Mauricio. So he was running out of this auditorium not because he was bored, but he was actually the one on duty collecting all the food. So thanks a lot, and also.
And thanks to Marcus for managing everything that happened.